Gravity is an amazing thing. Gravity is the force that attracts a smaller mass to the center of a much larger mass. Gravity is the reason that the planets orbit the sun and the moon orbits the earth. Every mass has gravity, but we're taking it to the next level.
Since I got gravity, girls have been absolutely attracted to me. Hey, baby.
Gravity, get your dream girl.
Buy Gravity now, for only $4.99.
Serious side effects have been reported since taking Gravity, such as serious stomach problems such as stomach and intestinal bleeding with or without warning symptoms. If severe, these problems could lead to hospitalization or death. In addition, the following side effects have been reported: anxiety, blurred vision, confusion, decreased levels of sodium in blood, depression, fluid in the lungs, hair loss, low blood cell counts, ringing in the ears, severe increase in blood pressure, tingling sensations, and unusual headache with stiff neck. More common but less serious effects include headache, dizziness, diarrhea, nausea and/or vomiting, heartburn, stomach pain, swelling in the legs and or feet, high blood pressure, back pain, and tiredness. The side effects above do not include all side effects reported with Gravity. Your doctor or pharmacist can discuss a more complete list of side effects.